Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into your Instagram account on your iPhone. Well, it's very easy. All you need to do is simply open the application, and then from here this is the first page that you will see, from which you'll have to enter your username or your email address or the phone number that you have registered for your Instagram account. After entering your email address, you'll have to now enter the password of your Instagram account. After entering the password, all you have to do is tap on login. But in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot password, and then you can proceed to the further process of how to recover your password. For now, I'm going to tap on login, and just like that, here you can see we have successfully been logged into our Instagram account. Here you can tap on your profile right here. You can see this is your username and your name, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.